Now, let's see how we can create a flash message. So for example, whenever a user creates a record in our system, a message should display here that a record has been created successfully. Let's see how we can create that flash messages. So for that, first of all, inside our student controller in the create, whenever we are done with the return, we will send a message. For example, we will type wait and give it a key. For example, success. Then after that, we will pass our message. So for example, a student created successfully. Then after that, we have to go inside our middleware handle inertia request, and in here we have to pass our flash messages to all our page so we can access them. So for that, we will type flash, and in here we will open an array. Then we will pass our key which we wrote in here. So let's copy this and paste it here. After that, we will write an arrow function. So function, and in here we will say date request session date the success. That's it. Now we can access the flash inside our JSX files. So let's copy this and let's go to our index student.index, and in here that we define our use page props. In here we can just add the flash. Now we can access our flash messages. So if I scroll down, and in here if I want to display the message, I will say flash dot success, and then after that we can display our message. So in here we will can type flash dot success, or let's add it in a div so it will be better. Okay, now let's go and let's refresh this page. Let's create a student, fill the form, click save. Now we got our message in here. Student created successfully. Now to display it properly, we have to add some style. So let's go back to our project, and in here let's add a class name. This class name, you can get this class name in the source code in my GitHub repo. Now let's save. Let's go back. Now it's displaying like this, but right now it's permanent and it's displaying here always. If you want, you can add a timeout also, so it should display in for 2 or 3 seconds as you want. So for that, we have to create a new variable. Let's create a new variable and call it message and set message. Then by default, let's give them a default value of flash dot success. Then instead of flash dot message in here, and here we will call our message. So let's replace them, and after that let's create a set timeout, and inside our set timeout we will get our function, and we will say set message to null after the time, for example 2 seconds. That's it. Now let's go create a student, click fill it, click save. We got our message. It will disappear within 2 seconds. We forgot we added equal here. Now it's done. Let's go and create a new student. Click save. Now let's wait 2 seconds. It's gone. So this is how you can display a flash message inside your Inertia and React.